Welcome back to another DIY with Asa Essentials and Upgrades. My name is Asa and welcome. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be creating this beautiful large bling wrap flower vase. It's such a pretty wrap. You can purchase this wrap at Amazon. If you'd like to see how we create this beautiful item, please continue watching. And don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So let's get to the video. guys, so here is the finished look. Such a beautiful bling wrap. This bling wrap is from Amazon, and I believe it's about $16 to $20 Canadian. I'm not sure how much it is in other country. So right now I'm just playing around with it, but I will have it on my fireplace all by itself. It's such a beautiful piece. I don't know. I don't know. It looks so gorgeous just by itself alone. I did do a little bit of decor at the end of this video, so you should see that soon. So I would like to thank you so much for watching. I would also like to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for supporting my channel. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next DIY video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.